Welcome back, class. Today, we're diving into the heart of MIPS architecture, registers. Think of your computer's RAM like a massive warehouse, but registers? They're the small workbench right in front of you. In MIPS, we have 32 general-purpose registers, each 32 bits wide. Because they reside directly inside the CPU, accessing them is significantly faster than fetching data from memory. Let's break down the essentials. First, register 0 is unique, it's hardwired to 0 and cannot be changed. It's incredibly useful for initializing variables. Next, focus on the distinction between saved and temporary registers. We use the S registers, $S0 through $S7, for long-term data. In contrast, the T registers, $T0 through $T9, are for quick, temporary calculations. Finally, we use the $A registers for function arguments and $V registers for return values. Understanding these conventions is the first step toward mastering assembly. Let's get to work.